Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato rice, only way. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a wide pan, add 1 cup chopped onions and sauté until soft. Stir in 1 tsp ginger garlic paste and cook until fragrant. Add 2 cups chopped tomatoes, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp chili powder and simmer until tomatoes break down. Finish with rinsed 5 cups rice and 75 cups water. Start by warming oil and toasting spices like cumin and mustard seeds until they pop, then add curry leaves for a fragrant lift. Sauté onions to golden brown for sweetness, then stir in ginger garlic paste and cook until raw smell is gone. Add powdered spices and mix well into the tomato base to avoid raw spice taste. Taste and adjust seasonings before adding rice and water for final cooking. Rinsing rice removes starch and helps separate grains. Soak briefly if time allows. Use a slightly less than 2-to-1 water ratio with 5 cups rice and 75 cups water for tender but separate grains. Stir rice gently into the simmering tomato mixture, bring to a low boil, then cover and reduce heat to low for even steaming. Rest covered for 10 minutes, then fluff with a fork before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.